Hey, it's Jordan here, and today what I have for you is a mansion that was built in 1965, and it sold for $2.5 million last year, and this house has been sitting vacant ever since. Now, this house is pretty big. It has 4 bedrooms, and it has stayed pretty original. I think for maybe the flooring in the kitchen is definitely not original, but this house is super cool. I just got here, and I definitely can't wait to show you guys this one. So enough talking from me. Let's get to the tour. So we're going to be starting the video off at the main entrance, and as you could probably already see, it is really cool. Now you have this crown glass over here. It's not really relevant anymore. We have a couple sheets of glass like that at the shop that I work at, but it's not really relevant anymore. It's pretty old. So the first room that we're going to be looking at down here is the den or library. So you're greeted by this lovely shag carpet. It's pretty cool. Now there's no hydro in this house, which kind of does surprise me. A lot of these houses in this area usually kind of left with the hydro on for a while, but this one not. So again, this is the main entrance, and I'll show you the staircase here. Now let's do the left side of the house, and then we'll come back. So that is the basement, but we'll go to do that last. So we're going to check out the living room or rec room. You have these really cool exposed wood beams. Now that fireplace is really cool. A lot of sunlight in this room. Now next we're going to be checking out the bathroom here on the left. It is super cool. Got like a beige yellowish toilet and sink, but check out that mirror pattern or the tile pattern around the mirror. Even this whole, basically more than half the wall is a mirror. And then even look at that light fixture. It's like, it's flowers and leaves on it. So over here you have the laundry room, and as you can probably already see, that the washer and dryer aren't really old at all. So it is pretty crazy. They're just here, and they're just gonna throw those out. So down here, at least in this area, it's all pink. I think even, yeah, the main entrance is all pink too. So next we're going to check out the kitchen. So as I was saying, that I don't think that the flooring in here is pretty original. It's been definitely updated at some point. But you can check out this really old light fixture. Now you have exposed brick, but it's not real. It actually feels very plasticky. So you got cupboard space over here. The fridge is kind of old. I highly doubt there's anything in this fridge. Yeah, I was right. It does have a smell to it, but not like a rotten smell because there's nothing rotting in there. So I'll show you the rest of the kitchen from over here on this way. This place doesn't have a backyard, and it's actually quite small. Not a lot of space. But I am really excited to show you this dining room. The wallpaper mural in here is pretty crazy. And check out that chandelier. Pretty crazy. Now I gotta show you the mural wallpaper. So you have a guy playing a flute. Got a couple of animals. You got a bull and some rams. It kind of looks like I don't know. It's hard to say. It doesn't look like water. Then you got a peacock. And you have some roosters and like a castle. It's very echoey in here. It's very empty. But yeah, the same pattern goes all the way around this room. Now this is the living room. Carpeted. But it's pretty spacious too. So this is what it looks like from this angle. And then these double doors just lead you back out to the main entrance. So I think that's it for down here. Now let's go check out the upstairs. The upstairs has 4 bedrooms and they're all empty, but I definitely think that the washrooms or bathrooms up here are definitely worth showing. So we'll go into room number 1. You have a blue wall and the rest are white. Now this floor obviously isn't original. Got a cool little light switch cover. So this is the view from the first bedroom. Very pink. You got red carpet. Now this room had carpet. I wonder what color it was, but yeah, the carpet's been ripped out of this room. So bedroom number 3, it's white walls. Do have the curtains here. I think this is just the backyard, right? Yeah. So as you can see, it's not a very big property, like backyard wise. Yeah, this room also had carpet. Blue, it looks like it was. Yeah. So, bathroom number 1. Wow. Wow. And it's on the ceiling too. And a blue toilet. This is definitely one of my favorite bathrooms. Crazy. The other bathroom upstairs is actually pretty cool too, so, but yeah, I gotta show you that bathroom again. What an absolute beauty. So for the last bedroom, this is the master bedroom. It's fairly big. The floor is really nice in here. Very echoey as well. This has a pretty big walk-in closet. But I gotta show you the bathroom, of course. It's just like the other one, just different color. So this is very green, where the other one was very blue. But the toilet in here is white. I always think it's so cool when it has it on the ceiling. I don't know why. So that's it for the upstairs. Now let's go check out the downstairs. I have no idea what's down here. Oh wow. This is like all carpeted. Okay, they're supposed to be like that. I was wondering, like, what? Okay, so that's interesting. So down to the basement we go. Has a really odd smell, like just really old. Yeah, like I said, I have no idea what's down here. So you have the electrical panel. You got these cool little light fixtures. Oh, you have a bar down here. What's this? Oh, this is like corkboard. It's like the second house that I've seen where it had corkboard. Okay, so we got the bar here. Oops. That's cool. Okay, well, let's go check out the other side of this place. Well, I'm gonna show you the closets. So you got a nice cedar closet, double closet. I like how it's like kind of hidden down here. Yeah, so let's go check out the bar, or what's in here. This is like under the stairs. I don't think there's anything in here. No. Jeez, that's loud. Yeah, your little sink there. And obviously this is where your alcohol and all that kind of stuff would be. So pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, I don't know what's down here. Whoa. Look at the wallpaper in this bathroom. What? So this room obviously has been renovated. That's like a pretty new toilet as well. Interesting choice. That's cool. So on the left side, probably just a workshop. You got a bunch of shelves. Yeah, this is like, well, the tools would have been hanging up. That bathroom, wow. So you got the furnace, security system. I wonder what's in here. Okay, you got another sink and some shelves. But yeah, that's it for downstairs. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and especially this bathroom and the other two as well. So that wraps it up for this house. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. This house was super cool, and as I said, it was built in 1965 and sold for $2.5 million last year. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this video, your favorite room, and you can subscribe to me if you haven't already. And of course, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.